Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. We are diving into 10 super practical Chinese phrases that you can use in everyday situations. Each set of phrases includes both a conversation starter and a natural way to respond. I will walk you through each phrase step by step, and I encourage you to repeat after me so you can practice speaking out loud. Whether you are inviting a coworker to lunch, chatting with friends at school, or complimenting someone's cooking, these phrases will come in handy. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you will feel more confident and ready to use these expressions naturally in daily life. Let's get started. 1. A friendly lunch invitation. 要不要一起吃午餐? Do you want to have lunch with me? 要不要一起吃午餐? 我很乐意 Surely 我很乐意 2. Looking for a coffee shop. 这附近有咖啡店吗? Is there a coffee shop nearby? 这附近有咖啡店吗? 我不确定，可能要用 Google Maps 查一下。I'm not sure. Maybe you should check Google Maps. 我不确定，可能要用 Google Maps 查一下。3. Praising a delicious dish. 这道菜很好吃。This dish is delicious. 这道菜很好吃。真的吗？那我也来试试。Really? Then I will try it too. 真的吗？那我也来试试。4. Locating the restroom. 请问洗手间在哪里? Where is the restroom, please? 请问洗手间在哪里? 不好意思，我也不太清楚。Sorry, I'm not sure either. 不好意思，我也不太清楚。5. Checking the price. 这个多少钱? How much is this? 这个多少钱？这个100块。This is 100 yuan. 这个100块。6. Complimenting others' Chinese. 你的中文说得很好。Your Chinese is very good. 你的中文说得很好。谢谢，我还在学习中。Thanks, I'm still learning. 谢谢，我还在学习中。7. talking about commuting. 请问你怎么去上班？ How do you go to work? 请问你怎么去上班？我搭地铁，蛮方便的。I take the subway. It's quite convenient. 我搭地铁，蛮方便的。8. Asking about the weather. 今天的天气怎么样？ How's the weather today? 今天的天气怎么样？下雨了，记得带雨伞。It's raining. Remember to bring an umbrella. 下雨了，记得带雨伞。9. Suggesting a future meetup. 我们下次再见吧。Let's meet again next time. 我们下次再见吧。好啊，记得联系我。Okay, keep in touch. 好啊，记得联系我。10. Catching up on other schedule. 你最近忙吗？ Have you been busy lately? 你最近忙吗？有点忙，不过还可以应付。A little busy, but I can manage. 有点忙，不过还可以应付。And that's a wrap on our 10 must-know Chinese phrases for real-life conversations. I hope you practice along with me and got a feel for the pronunciation. Feel free to revisit this video anytime to listen, review, and practice your speaking skills. You can repeat the phrase out loud for better pronunciation, or just listen again to sharpen your listening comprehension. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. There's plenty more content coming your way, packed with super useful, everyday expressions that you can start using right away. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Keep practicing and have fun with it.